dark and stormy night. Come inside, sit by the fire. You're drenched to the bone, oh man, you look wired. Come inside, stay for a minute. The storm will pass, there's no need to be in it. You seem as lost as you can. What's going on with the lightning rod man? Saw your house from down the road. Up in the sky, the clouds seem to explode. You need help, that much I understand. Here I am, the lightning rod man. Lightning rod man, I'm here to prey on your doom. Standing there, in the middle of your room, reveling in all your fears that I can. Here I am, the lightning rod man. Yeah, I thought you looked familiar. Your house and you, well, you're exposed from the tops of the hills to the valley floor. There's no other house in the land more need the lightning rod man. Lightning rod man, I'm here to prey on your doom. Preaching to you in the middle of your room, reveling in all your fears that I can. Here I am, lightning rod man. Yeah, it's all fine and good. See here, fellow, bricks and mortar, iron, don't you see, is all that's keeping that stone from me. I'll lend an ear and give you tea. Other than that, take your act down the street. Lightning rod man, I'm here to prey on your doom. Standing here in the middle of your room, reveling in all your fears that I can. Here I am, lightning rod man. I should have known not to knock on the door, especially since I've seen him before. Sparrows walked and temples stand. There'll always be another lightning rod man. Lightning rod man, the key to unlock the door, to bully puppets and kill and flow.